Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a Amazon favorites video. If you're interested in that, make sure you watch till the end of the video and stay tuned to the video. Also, I will link everything in the description if you guys wanna buy it and check it out. If you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you are not new, welcome back to another video. If you want to see how I did my nails, make sure you check out my latest video. This is my first time doing a video like this, but I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into the video. My first favorite is these eyeshadow makeup brushes that I got from Amazon. And these are my favorite because they perform really well, and it's many different brushes you can choose from and use different things for. And it comes with 12 brushes, and it's like blending brushes. It's like a really dense angled brush. It comes with 12 brushes and it's good for the price. This one is like a concealer brush. I use this to clean up my eyebrows and I used it today. I like this brush. It's a really good brush to clean up your eyebrows. It's a really good brush. And this one is like a eyeshadow liner brush. You can like use this like with eyeshadow and do a wing liner or anything. But I tried using this and I like it, and it works pretty good. And this is like another favorite brush, but it's a good brush. And this one is another good brush. It's another concealer brush. It's like a flat concealer brush. It's good for like packing eyeshadow on your eyelids. Again, are looking for like eyeshadow brushes, I will recommend buying these ones because they really good and they beginner friendly. My next favorite is this little pop socket. This is what the pop socket looks like. It's like a ombre of pink and purple, and it got like little holographic glitters in it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's on there. I like it. It's sort of comfortable, and I think my fingers is a little too big though, but it's my favorite. This is my first time having one, but I like the way that it looks, and it's really pretty, and it goes pretty well with my case. The pop socket, it do come with a adhesive, but if you try to take it off and move it in a different spot, it won't stick as much as it did the first time. It won't stick as good as it did the first time. The phone case, permanently, you can get like a glue, like a super glue or something, and stick it on the back of the pop socket and then stick it to your phone. Because I don't think, like, if it's a case like this, I don't think the pop socket adhesive will stick to the phone case, like super glue or something, and stick it to the pop socket and then stick it to your phone and it will stick, because that's what I did. Good. It's not coming off anytime soon, so I like it. It's really pretty, and if you're looking for a pop socket, I recommend buying this one. By the way, I don't know where you can get this case from. You could probably get it from Amazon if you search it, but this was my mom's and I stole it from her, so I don't know where you can get it from. My next favorite is these yoga jogging pants, and you don't have to wear these for like working out, or you don't have to wear these for working out or jogging or whatever. You can wear it like regularly. These are my favorite because they are good material and they really comfortable, just make you feel comfortable. It's like good quality, and they real stretchable, so they don't feel too tight or anything, and you could do like anything in these. They really are my favorite, and I like them, and I recommend them. Also, if you've seen my Amazon try-on haul video, you saw me try those pants on, but yep, I recommend trying them out and buying them, and they're really affordable. My next favorite is this little hair scalp massager shampoo brush, and it's my favorite because it's really comfortable, and the bristles are silicone. If you've seen my testing out video of this, you'll see what I was talking about, but it's really comfortable on your scalp and it feels really good, and it works pretty well. I like it and I recommend it. It's really affordable, but yeah, it's really affordable, good massaging brush, and it will work for any hair texture. So my next favorite is this tripod. I forgot the name of the brand, but I will put it on the screen. It was an Amazon choice item. I really like this tripod, and it's a really good tripod. It's pretty sturdy. It's pretty taller than my other tripod. I had to get a new one because that one was pretty old and raggedy and it was breaking, so I had to get a new one. It was like $20 something, but it's worth it. And you can also turn it into a selfie stick. It's a really good tripod, and when you get the tripod, it does come with a couple items. Comes with this little attachment screw thingy, that's called, but I think you can use it for like a camera. This is for a camera. You can like screw it onto the tripod in the camera, but I'm not gonna use this because I don't have a camera. I just record on my phone. So this comes with a tripod. It's like a selfie, it's like a cell phone holder. And yeah, this comes with it, and you can fold it. So it's good for like travel size if you're going somewhere or whatever, and you need to take a cell phone holder with you. You could just fold it and put it in your bag or whatever. And the tripod is also travel size, so you can take it anywhere with you. And this comes with it. It's like a Bluetooth remote control thingy, and it's for Android and iOS. This is pretty good if you take pictures and stuff, and you won't have to like go back and forth and press the camera button or anything. You could just press it with this and it'll take the pictures for you. So this is really good. This is the little bag that the tripod comes in, and take this anywhere with you. So you do get a good amount of items that come with the tripod, so it's really worth the price and stuff. So I do recommend buying it if you like a content creator and you need a tripod. I do recommend buying this one. And my last favorite item is this little LED UV dryer lamp for like nail polish and stuff. I use this in my press on nails tutorial video. It's my latest video if you wanna go check it out, but I did a review on that video. But this is my favorite. This is the brand that it's by. It's by SUNUV, and it's a good lamp. It works pretty good. If you wear like a gel nail polish with this, I will say cure your nails for like 60 seconds, but not 30 seconds because it won't dry out the way, but it works pretty good. And these are the lights in the inside. I really like this lamp, and I'm glad I bought it. It's really my favorite, and I'm gonna be using this all the time. And it comes with a little plug. You can like plug it into the wall, whatever. The cord is like a medium cord. It's not really long or too short. It's like medium, so probably want to get a extension cord or whatever. I recommend buying it if you need. Like, those are all my favorite items from Amazon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't boring or anything. The items will be listed in the description if you want to buy it and go check it out or whatever. Comment down below and let me know what else you guys want to see, or if there's any video that you want to see. Comment down below. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave a like down below, leave a comment, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.